Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain how can you find the number of triangles for this type of figures. So maybe you have seen many formulas or so many patterns to find the number of triangles for this type of figures. I am going to say what are the reasons for that. So I will explain clearly. First, normally I will count each and every triangle, how many formations existed here. So we'll count normally first how many triangles we are getting and we'll compare that. So I will say the trick as well and what is the reason behind that, how the trick came. So now I'm going to start. So first I'm counting lower base triangles. Lower base triangles. So lower base triangles, if you take, first I'm going to take the smaller triangles or single triangles, unit triangles. How many unit triangles you can observe here? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first row, lower first row, how many are there? Total 4. Total 4 are there. So in the first row, total 4, and then next 1, 2, 3. So 3 are there. And then 1, 2. 2 are there. And then at the top 1. So total 10 here. Total 10 here. These are unit triangles and that too lower base. So now come to the 4 smaller triangle combinations. 4 smaller triangle combinations. We can form a triangle again by joining 4 smaller triangles in this pattern. So that's why I'm counting 4 smaller triangle combinations, that to lower base. So here 3 are there. Here 3 are there. 4 small triangle combinations. 3 and then 2. Go to the second row. 2 and then at the top 1. So total 6 are there. Total 6 are there. So next come to 9 triangle combinations. 9 smaller triangle combinations. How many are there? Lower base. So here 1 you can observe. Here 2 you can observe. In the first row 2 and then at the top 1. So 1. So total 3 are there. Total 3 are there. So now come to 16 smaller triangle combinations. Lower base. So this is the only entire unit you have to take. That is 16 triangle combinations. So this is 1, only 1. So total how many lower base triangles are there? 10 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. So now I am going to count now upper base triangles. Upper base triangles. So upper base triangles, look at here. Upper base triangles, if you take upper base triangles, first unit triangles are smaller triangles. So 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus and then second row 1, 2, 2 plus and then only 1 here. Total 6 are there. Total 6 are there. So now come to 4 smaller triangle combinations. Upper base. Upper base 4 triangle combinations. Only 1 is there. Observe carefully. So only 1 existed. Only 1 existed. So it is not like lower base triangles. Lower base triangles 2 rows enough. 2 smaller triangles rows enough, because this is 1 row, this is second row, 1, 2 and 1. This is enough. 2 rows are enough to form 4 smaller triangle combination, 1 bigger triangle. But for lower base triangles we cannot form. So observe lower base triangles. If you observe entire unit, there are how many rows? Smaller triangles here 4 rows are there for lower base. So now we can form 3 rows here. We can form 3 rows here, 4 combinations. If you come to the upper base triangles, how many rows are existed? Smaller triangle rows, how many are there? We'll check that. So this is 1. This is 1 second row. This is the third row. Smaller triangles. Third row. Here 3 rows are there. But here only 1 existed. So if at least 3 rows are there, then only we are getting one upper base triangle, bigger one. So 4 smaller triangle combination. If at least 3 rows required but for the lower base 2 rows enough. That's why we are taking consecutively. Here 4 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 means next 4 triangle combinations 3 plus 2 plus 1, next 9 2 plus 1. So 1 only decreasing, but here 2 at a time alternatively. If 3 rows are there, upper base smaller triangles, then only we will get 4 smaller triangle combination. So that's why we are getting 6 plus 1 here, 6 plus 1 here. So what is the short trick here? So many areas maybe you have seen that. So we need to start from 1. We have to add plus 2 plus 3. Plus 2 means 3 here, plus 3 means 6 here, plus 4 means 10, plus 5 means 15, like that we need to take. This is a series. Plus 2 plus 3, plus 2, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Simple. Series logic only. Series logic only, so we can take easily. So we can take easily that. We can start from 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, like that. Series continuation. So here observe carefully here 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. So what? Suppose here 4 lower base triangles, lower base smaller triangles attached to any side of bigger triangle. Here 4 smaller lower base triangles you can observe attached to any side of bigger triangle. That is the count here. So here only 4. Indirectly the count is 4 here. So we need to take only first 4. Sum of first 4. Sum of first 4. Indirectly the meaning of this lower base triangles. Observe lower base triangles, how many we got? 10 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. 10 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. That only we can see here. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10. Indirectly lower base triangles. Lower base triangles 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10. Why we are taking here 4? If you observe here 4 are there means definitely here upper 3, 2 and 1. So here sum of first 4 natural numbers, it is 10. Sum of first 3 natural numbers, it is 6. Sum of first 2 natural numbers, it is 3. So only one natural number, that is 1. Indirectly we are taking that. That is lower base triangles indirectly. Lower base triangles. So now we have counted lower base. This is single. This is 4 triangle combinations, 9 triangle combinations and 16 triangle combination. Now we have to take upper base triangles also. We have to consider. So for upper base triangles, what you have to do? So cross here, tick, cross, tick. So alternative numbers only we need to consider. If number of smaller base triangles attached to any side of bigger triangle is 4, so then you can observe here. So what we are getting? Alternatively we are getting. So leave 10 and then consider 6, leave 3 and then consider 1. So what you have to do? 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus again 1 plus 6. Again 1 plus 6. So total how many? 1 plus 6 plus 6, 10. So 20, 20 plus 7, 27. Total 27 we will get. Total 27 triangles are there. I'm writing here. So first we need to take 1 onwards. 1, 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So we need to take like that based on the number of triangles attached to the side of any triangle, side of bigger triangle. We need to consider only 4. So after that, so this is lower base triangles indirectly. These are the lower base triangles indirectly. So we need to take upper base triangles. Upper base triangles are forming alternatively. If you compare with the lower base triangles, alternative numbers only coming for upper base triangles. So we need to consider alternatively. So 6 plus 1 add 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 and then add 1 plus 6 again. 1 plus 6 again. So we'll get the answer 20, 27. 27 is the answer. There are total 27 triangles are there. So otherwise we can do like this also. 1, 3, 6, 10. So and then 1, 3, 6. So 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 is equal to 20. And then here consider alternatively. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Instead of doing this, it is better because we know the reason for this. So how it came? Upper base triangle. So take alternatively. Take alternatively. In this only. For that series only take alternatively. So which is the convenient way for you? You can take that. I have given 2 here. So you can write like this also. You can write like this also, or you can write like this also. What is the convenient way for you? You can take that. So let's see another example here. So here observe how many, what is the n value here? 4, 5. So 5 are there. So we need to take 5. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Enough. So add all these first. Directly, we can do directly. Then take alternatively. Take alternatively. So 3 plus 10 we need to add again. So what is the value here? 10, 20, 35. 35 plus 3, 38, 48. 48 is the answer. Simple. 48 is the answer. So this is a short trick for finding number of triangles. So here formula also there. The formula for n is equal to even. If n is equal to even, what is the formula? N into, here n is equal to 5. Here n is equal to 5. Same. N into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by 8. Divided by 8. If n is odd, n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 1 divided by 8. Minus 1 divided by 8. So if you don't want to remember 2 formulas, then take the integer value of n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 by 8. Take the integer value. Whatever the n value here, we can take integer value. Integer of n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 by 8, we will get the number of triangles easily. Whatever the n value it is. Either n is even or odd, we can find easily. Otherwise, if you don't want to calculate like that, so fractions will coming. So it is cancellation somewhat difficult for you. Then take when n is odd, when n is even, calculation it is very easy. It will be cancelled definitely. So when n is odd, it will not be cancelled. Definitely we will get the answering points. So 24 point something, 27 point something. We need to take integer value only at that. So if you don't want to do the fractions in fractions or points, then take minus 1. The same formula, take minus 1 and then divide with 8. Simple. When n is odd. So here n is odd, fine. We'll cross verify that. So here n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by 8 here. So what you have to do? N is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 2n plus 1 means 11 divided by 8. It will not be cancelled at all. So take minus 1 here. We'll get the answer easily, integer value. So 5 into 7, 35. 35 into 11, 385. Minus 1, 384 divided by 8. So here how many times? 4 times. 6 left. 64 is 8. So 48 is the answer. We got 48. The same answer. You can observe here. We have got 48. So we can use 2 tricks here. Either the formula or this is better. Series pattern. This is better. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15. And then take alternatively. First cross one. We can't take the last one. So after that, we need to take alternatively. Then this is very easy. Suppose 6 is there. How can you take? For 6. For 6, how can you take? So 6 means 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15 plus 21. Till 21 only. So now cross. Take alternatively. So 1 plus 6 plus 15. 1 plus 6 plus 15. So what is the value here total? So here 10, 20, 35. 35 plus 21. 36, 56. 57. 57 plus 6, 63. 63 plus 15, 78 we got. 78 is the answer. So total 78 triangles we got for this figure. If n is equal to 6. If n is equal to 6 means, yeah, base triangles, if 6 are there, then in that case we have to take first 6 and then add alternatively. Simple. So this is the short trick, and reason behind this also I have explained that. So I will upload many videos saying that I will explain what are the tricks and what are the reasons behind that. So thank you very much. Follow my channel.